What can software developers possibly teach us solo creators about making great videos? You might think coders are all about making boring, dry, logical decisions. But this easy formula that I learned from over 20 years of software development helps me to make better videos that my audience watches for longer. I'm going to share the full formula, and I'm also going to share the exact version that I used to plan this very video. So what is this formula? First, we need to understand what the whole point of making videos for in the first place is. And there's two ways of making videos really. The wrong way, assuming you actually want to grow your YouTube channel, is to just have an idea for a video that sounds fun to you and then just go and film it, edit it and upload it. The right way to think about it, assuming you want to grow your channel, is to think about what your audience might want or need before the thing that you might want to create. When you start making videos that your audience actually wants to watch, you're already ahead of most creators. Add in this next formula I'm going to teach you, you'll take it to a whole new level. So here's the formula, and it's split into 3 parts. The first part is the as a part. This first part is knowing exactly who you're making the video for. Is it a working mum struggling to balance childcare and a full-time job, an entrepreneur struggling with time management? The more specific you can be here, the better. Once you've really thought about who the video's for, add it after the as a part. Part 2 of the formula is the I want part. It's about really thinking deeply about what the viewer you identified in part 1 really wants or needs. Why is this critical? We'll answer that in a second, but first, how do you do this? Try and put yourself in their shoes. Think about what they dream about doing or the problems that keep them up at night. You want to be writing this as if that person is saying this thing out loud, maybe to a family member or a best friend. It's not in the abstract, it's something that that person would actually say. There's 2 main categories that this can fall into. The first category I call moving away from goals. This is moving away from something they don't want in their lives or they want less of in their lives, and it's usually some kind of pain or discomfort. They want to have less of it in their lives. Some examples could be, I don't want to have to worry about money. I don't want to die early. I don't want to feel sad all the time. These moving away from goals can be super powerful. The second category I call moving towards goals. These are things that the viewer you identified in step 1 wants more of in their lives. Some examples might be, I want to be financially free. I want to be fitter. I want to get more subscribers on my YouTube channel. So why is this part 2 so critical? Unless you know what the viewer wants to get out of your video, you've got no way of truly serving them. Remember earlier when we talked about the wrong way and the right way to make videos? This is the right way. It's audience first thinking, and that's why it's critical. So now we know who the viewer is and what they want. Let's move on to part 3 of the formula. Part 3 is the so that part, and I'll show you how to put all 3 parts together in just a second. Part 3 is where we get even deeper. This is about the why of the viewer. Part 2 described what the viewer wants. Part 3 describes why they want it. Some examples could be, so I can feel more confident, so I don't leave my children alone in the world. It's really the ultimate underlying benefit that they want to get out of watching your video. Do you really want to nail this section? Then you can use the 5 whys technique. Don't just accept the first thing you thought of for part 3. Ask the question why 5 times in a row. This will help you get to the core reason for the viewer. So here's an example. Why does the viewer want to lose 50 pounds of weight? They might say, so that I'm not as fat. That's really the first why. Then ask why don't you want to be as fat? They might say, so I can look more attractive. Ask why again. They might say, so I'll feel more confident when dating. Why do you want to feel more confident when dating? So I can find a future husband. Why do you want to find a future husband? So I don't end up alone when I'm old. You can kind of see how that last why is so much more powerful than because I want to lose 50 pounds of fat. And it's really emotional and it really gets under the covers of your viewer. All right, so here's a real life example. It's the formula I used for the video you're watching right now. As a solo creator, I want to learn to plan better videos so that I can grow my channel and make a full-time living doing something I love. If that sounds like you're definitely going to want to subscribe to this channel. It's what this channel's all about, helping solo creators make better videos and grow their YouTube channels. You're definitely going to want to check out this video next. I'm Jason Roberts, and I hope that you found this video useful. Please give it a try and let me know what your results are in the comments.